We're in Windows 10, and I'm going to show you how to change using different microphones and speakers based on the application. So you may want to choose to use a different speaker for one application and another speaker for another. So we'll click on the Start button and click on Settings. And once we're in there, we'll click on System. And then in System, we're going to click on Sound. And there's this little hidden area at the bottom most people don't know about called App, Volume, and Device Preferences. So click on that. And take a look. I've got several different applications that all use sound, and they use both input and output. So for instance, I'm recording on Camtasia, and I can choose a different input and output other than my default. Now my defaults are at the top. So we can see my default is going to be this NVIDIA high definition audio, and my input is going to be this particular microphone. But if I say, hey, I want to use a different speaker or microphone for one of these applications, such as Camtasia or PowerPoint, for instance, I can hit the drop down and choose a different output, and I can choose a different microphone as well. Now, I won't change the microphone because otherwise you won't be able to hear me anymore, but this is how you change to use a different microphone or speaker based on the application that uses them.